Tzatziki is just one of my favorite sauces, which is so easy to make and great on things like shawarma wrap, as a pita snack, as a dip. You can drizzle that on pizza if you want, or have it with your favorite chicken skewers or feta fries. Let's look at how to make this sauce. I'm gonna start with our cucumbers and we're gonna grate that. I did at first start grating it on the super fine side of the box grater, but I realized and I fixed my mistake. So no harm done. But once you have all of that cucumber grated up, the most important part to get a great consistency is to squeeze all the excess water out of that cucumber. And if you're worried about waste, you can give it to your dog, or you can make a great cucumber juice. It's amazing. And once you've squeezed all the juices out, add that to a bowl and then top it with your Greek yogurt. And then add in olive oil. Olive oil is so important in Greek cooking and it just adds that flavor, and in the case of a sauce like this, that sheen. You're also gonna need some lemon juice, and go with lemon and not lime. It just is a different flavor from the lemon. Then go ahead and add your chopped dill, then some garlic, which I have just finely chopped, and then finally add in some salt, and of course we can add more later, but add a little bit, start mixing it up. You will start to see it come together. It's really just that easy, and then you can really adjust it and play with it with more lemon juice, olive oil, salt, dill. It's always better to start with lesser than you think you'd like, and then adjust and taste. Always taste and then enjoy it with your favorite dish. I have linked a couple of them down below, and this texture is amazing with anything really. It's like a yogurt cucumber refreshing sauce. Make a sandwich out of it if you really have to, but go ahead and enjoy it, and I'll see you on the next one.